Let me introduce first.
Yeah.
Myself, Dr. Shaheen Sayed. I am a district nodal officer for North Goa for tobacco control program. Today we had a district level meeting, our district task force committee meeting for tobacco control of North Goa uh, with all the stakeholders of tobacco control in North Goa district under the chairmanship of Deputy Collector North Goa district. Actually, our last review meeting was in of December 2019, and due to the COVID pandemic, we could not hold any physical meeting, and today we could arrange one meeting. The point of discussion today was about the revised guidelines of tobacco-free educational institutions, which is from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And for that, the Health Department and the District Tobacco Control Cell has started taking training programs for the headmasters, all the ADIs of the Education Department, and the school teachers of North Goa district. There are approximately 815 schools in North Goa, including all the government, non-government, and aided and unaided schools, including the primary, middle, and high schools and higher secondary schools. So our concern is that all these schools have to implement these guidelines, which says that the tobacco-free education institute board have to be there in place in all the schools. The tobacco monitors have to be made in all the schools. The teachers and the students have to be involved for tobacco control activities. IEC activities have to happen in the schools, and there shouldn't be any sale of tobacco products within 100 yards of educational institutions. And for that, we need intersectoral coordination from the Department of Education, Department of Panchayat, Police Department, District Administration, Municipal Administration, and the Health Department. And that is our focus, and we are going to train in series of the training programs, and we will share all the details and all the circulars with all the concerned departments also. The other point was that now we have section 7 of COTPA, that is pictorial health warnings, mandatory pictorial health warnings, which is 85% covering of tobacco products packed. So recently the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare shared with us this section 7 new pictorial warnings, which is applicable from 1st December 2020, and it is applicable for 12 months in rotation, and the next year's pictorial warning is also shared, and we have ensured that the concerned letter should go from the district administration to the concerned department that this section 7 has to be implemented in North Goa district. So we look forward for the tobacco control activities in North Goa district. We want our general public also to come forward and participate, because the enforcement squads at the taluka levels, they do the enforcement. The IC activities are done by the health department. The tobacco cessation is done by the health department. All these activities are going on, but unless and until the public participation is there, or the some kind of activities at the public level, will not be able to achieve our tobacco free Goa. As you are aware that our health minister also had launched Mission Tobacco Free Goa in the month of October 2019. So it is in addition to our tobacco control program, but ultimate aim is to achieve our goal of tobacco free Goa. So we can give our future generation tobacco free society. That's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.